Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdussalam Rashad Abia. I student at Qura University, Faculty of Computer and Information System, Department of Computer Engineering. ID number 42805516. We start from a titled presentation titled Convert Sand to Silicon from my design, and we will explore to talk on this topic of outlined as follows. Introduction. What is sand? Picture of sand and silicon. Map silicon converter. Then steps to turn sand to silicon. And finally, summary. We start first by introduction. As we know that the Earth crust consists of quarter sand, and the sand is from of silicon, the basic material that we use to manufacture our products. What is sand? Sand is a general material consisting of natural rocks divided into soft metal particles, and the formation of sand is variable depending on the rock's source and local conditions. But the most common consistent sand in the inland continental setting and coastal non-tropical setting is silica, or the SO called silicon dioxide of usually in the form of quartz. These are some of silicon sand picture. Shows us that the silicon in the form to microscopes. Here also caption picture of the how to convert sand to silicon. Then we come to the steps of turning sand into silicon as simple manner with Ford's first mineral sands. Silicon is the second most available element on Earth. To exact, the source material is silicon dioxide, silicon component of sand. The silicon extracted from silicon dioxide in the large oven perfect. This is the picture of some illustrative equations. as seen here in this image. The form of mixture of wheat, chip, and cook and coal. Then pour it into silicone, blown out of the oven with mixture of sugar. Perfect. Then pour it into Charles basin where it solidifies and divide it at later time to pieces. These are some of its advantages. Millimeter tons of these elements to produce the word annually. The use of these elements in the aluminum steel industry. Nine percent pure with impurities, most important iron and aluminum. This table shows in the brackets impurity materials that the disposed to extract the silicon. Here the second operation to turn sand into silicon, one of company Siemens watch a detailed explanation of turning sand into silicon. This equation describes the chemical conversion sand to silicon. Gases are passed through the condenser and resulting fluid subjected to surface fractional distillation to produce source materials for the manufacture of silicon. Here in this equation we get the silicon steel. These are some of the fixture of the silicon. Gives a lot of energy. B 99.99% pure. Finally, summary presentation. 1. Sand has been defined. 2. We saw several pictures of silicon sand and large version. 3. Has been defined how to turn sand into silicon. In conclusion, I am happy that this offer has attracted like it.